Mastering makeup for your skin tone, 7 essential secrets you need to know. Are you tired of makeup mishaps that leave you feeling less than confident? Finding your perfect makeup match can be a challenge, but imagine this, a flawless, natural finish every single time you apply makeup. Yes, it's possible, and we're here to show you how. In this video, we'll reveal 7 essential secrets to mastering makeup tailored to your unique skin. These practical, transformative tips, from understanding undertones to finding the perfect foundation and complementary shades, will elevate your beauty routine and help you achieve the effortless, polished look you deserve. Secret 1. Understand your skin tone and undertone. The key to perfecting your makeup lies in understanding 2 vital aspects of your skin, its tone and undertone. Skin tone refers to the surface color of your skin, ranging from fair to deep. This is what we typically see and think of when selecting makeup. However, undertone is the subtle hue beneath your skin that influences how colors appear. It's the difference between makeup that looks natural and makeup that feels off. Undertones fall into 3 categories. Warm undertones, skin with a golden, yellow, or peachy hue. Cool undertones, skin with hints of blue, pink, or red. Neutral undertones, a mix of warm and cool, often appearing balanced or without a distinct hue. So, how can you find your undertone? Start by checking your veins. Look at your wrist in natural light. If your veins appear green, you likely have warm undertones. If they're blue or purple, you have cool undertones. If you can't decide or they match your skin tone, you're neutral. Another easy trick, hold a white cloth or paper next to your face in natural light. If your skin looks yellow or gold, you have warm undertones. If it appears blue or pink, you're cool. And if it's hard to tell, you're neutral. Secret 2, finding the right foundation match. Now that you know your tone and undertone, it's time to find the perfect foundation. The wrong foundation can leave you looking washed out or mismatched, but the right one blends seamlessly, enhancing your natural features. When choosing a foundation, consider both your tone, how light or dark your skin is, and your undertone. Most foundations are labeled with indicators like W, warm, C, cool, or N, neutral, to guide you. Start by swatching the foundation on your jawline rather than your hand. Your hand's skin tone often differs from your face, so the jawline gives a more accurate match. Natural light is your best friend here. Test the shade near a window or outdoors to see how it truly looks against your skin. And don't rush, let the foundation sit for a few minutes. Oxidation, a process where foundation darkens after exposure to air, can alter the shade slightly. To avoid surprises, choose a shade that blends effortlessly into your skin without leaving visible lines on your jaw or neck. If you're torn between 2 shades, go for the lighter one. You can always build depth with bronzer. Secret 3, choosing complementary colors. The magic of makeup lies in selecting colors that bring out the best in your skin's undertone. When you choose complementary shades, you create a cohesive, flattering look that highlights your natural beauty. For warm undertones, earthy tones are your best friends. Think shades like amber, peach, coral, and warm golds. These colors enhance the golden and yellow hues in your skin, creating a harmonious, radiant effect. For cool undertones, opt for shades with pink, purple, or blue bases. Rosy pinks, vibrant purples, and blue-based reds will make your complexion pop and bring a soft, rosy glow to your skin. For neutral undertones, balanced mid-spectrum colors work beautifully. Shades like jade green, lagoon blue, or even muted, dusty pinks are perfect choices. They add depth without overpowering your naturally balanced tones. Secret 4, seasonal makeup adjustments. Did you know your skin tone can shift with the seasons? Even the most consistent skincare routine can't completely prevent subtle changes caused by sun exposure in summer or dryness in winter. To adapt, consider switching between summer and winter foundations. In summer, your skin may become slightly darker, so choose a foundation 1 to 2 shades deeper. In winter, revert to a lighter shade that matches your natural tone. Bronzers are your ally during in-between seasons. Use them to add warmth and depth to your skin without changing your entire foundation routine. Translucent powders are also great. They mattify your skin without altering your foundation's shade. Secret 5, matching concealers and blushes. Concealers and blushes are essential tools for completing your makeup look. But the secret lies in selecting shades that match your skin tone and undertone. For concealers, choose one that's slightly lighter than your foundation to brighten areas like under the eyes. Make sure it has the same undertone as your foundation to avoid a mismatched finish. If you're using concealer to hide blemishes, select a shade that perfectly matches your foundation. When it comes to blush, your skin tone is the key. For fair skin, soft pinks and peaches create a natural flush. For medium skin, warm corals and rose shades add a healthy glow. For dark skin, rich plums and deep oranges provide a striking contrast that enhances the skin's richness. Secret 6, enhancing eyes and lips. Your eyes and lips are the focal points of your face, and enhancing them with the right colors can transform your entire look. Here's how to choose shades that make your features pop. Eyes. For blue eyes, warm shades like bronze, gold, and copper create a striking contrast, making the blue stand out vibrantly. For green eyes, purples and mauves are your go-to. These shades amplify the natural richness of green and create a captivating effect. For brown eyes, blues and teals are excellent choices. These cool tones highlight the warmth of brown eyes, adding depth and intrigue. Lips. When it comes to lipsticks, the key is matching the shade to your undertones. For warm undertones, opt for lip colors with orange or yellow bases, such as coral, brick red, or warm nudes. For cool undertones, blue-based shades like berry, plum, or true red are ideal. For neutral undertones, enjoy the versatility of both warm and cool lip shades, experimenting with balanced tones like dusty rose or peachy pink. Secret 7, experimentation and confidence. While guidelines are helpful, the most exciting part of makeup is experimenting to find your unique style. Makeup is an art, and there are no rules you can't break. Experimentation means trying unexpected combinations, exploring bold colors, or stepping out of your comfort zone. Maybe that neon eyeliner or unconventional lip color is the secret to discovering a signature look you love. Confidence is the true key to rocking any makeup look. The best way to wear makeup is with a smile and self-assurance. Makeup is a tool to express your individuality and enhance what makes you, you. It all starts with understanding your skin tone and undertone. The key to choosing colors that make you glow effortlessly. Nail your foundation match for a seamless base that looks like a second skin, and discover complementary shades that highlight your natural beauty. Most importantly, embrace your creativity and wear every look with confidence, because when you own your style, the possibilities are endless. Let us know how these secrets have transformed your routine. If you love these insights, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beauty magic.